Liverpool will be hoping to put Thursday's loss against Manchester City behind them. Klopp could hand a debut to young defender Rafa Camacho, in rotation of his squad. Predict 5 results and win £25,000. Free to play here. Wolves' impressive form against the top clubs will be put to the test tonight, as Liverpool were 2-0 winners the last time they met just before Christmas. However, Wolves have proven to be the better team in the FA Cup against Liverpool, winning 4 of their 6 meetings. Can Liverpool bounce back? Liverpool had their hopes of an undefeated season ended by title rivals Manchester City on Thursday. The 2-1 lost their first in the Premier League this season. A win today will serve to quiet any potential questions over a wobble for the league leaders as they look to get their FA Cup campaign off to a winning start. Young player to look out for. One name to look out for is Rafael Camacho. The young right-back could be in line to start in place of Trent Alexander-Arnold, with Nathaniel Clyne now on loan at Bournemouth. Camacho has 9 appearances in the Premier League 2 and a further 6 games in the UEFA Youth League, and at 18 years of age could see his first senior action in the FA Cup tonight. Wolves' impressive record against top sides. Despite suffering a 2-0 defeat to tonight's visitors at Molineux, Wolves boast a very impressive record against the top sides in the Premier League. They have managed impressive draws against Manchester City, Manchester United and Arsenal this season. Nuno Espirito Santo's men went one better against Chelsea and Tottenham in December, winning 2-1 and 3-1 respectively. Liverpool's struggles against Wolves in the FA Cup. The last time these two sides met in the FA Cup, Liverpool were knocked out by tonight's hosts. The cup history between the two will provide Wolves with the perfect confidence boost to feel as though they can beat the league leaders. Where is Liverpool's focus? Having suffered a defeat at the hands of Manchester City on Thursday, Liverpool may turn their focus away from the FA Cup to concentrate on the League and Champions League this season. Their 20-game unbeaten run to start the Premier League campaign has left them 4 points clear at the top of the league, and Klopp may look to rotate his squad tonight in order to keep them fresh.